design a roof over our head, but danger is ahead when the quality and the durability of the roof is not guaranteed. Now, you can celebrate quality because life is on top when Happiness Sand-Coated Metal Roof Tile is on the roof. It's a natural, colorful, stone-coated metal roof tile manufactured with New Zealand technology, giving you unlimited options and packages. Bond, classic, shingle, shake, Roman, all in multiple colors. The insurance is total. Weather resistant, eco-friendly, easy installation, elegant and stylish, and above all, fire resistant.
Happiness Sand-Coated Metal Roof Tiles. Abuja contact 081 6000 0034. Lagos contact 081 6000 035. Happiness Sand-Coated Metal Roof Tiles, a home crown.